Well, hello again mga ka-friendship! Welcome back! And sa inyo na bago sa aking channel, please do subscribe for good. And pakiclick na rin yung bell button para lagi kayong updated kapag may bago akong video. And mga ka-friendship, sa video na ito, isi-share ko sa inyo yung recipe ng paggawa ng Spanish style salmon. Cooking this recipe will take you about 4 hours bago maluto talaga yung fish. But I assure you that it is worth the wait. I guess this is the most appropriate cooking method na pagluto sa mga ganitong klase ng fish with lots of bones. Kasi when you cook it this way, the bones will just melt into your mouth when you eat it. Okay mga ka-friendship, so let's start cooking! Okay mga ka-friendship, so ito yung mga ingredients na kakailanganin natin sa paggawa ng Spanish style salmon. So I have here with me a kilo of salmon fish and mga 5 slices to. And kailangan din natin ng 6 cup of water and a half cup of salt, olives, 1 bulb of garlic crushed, bay leaves about 15 leaves pag maliliit. Kapag naman malalaki yung bay leaves, 8 leaves will be okay. And we will also be needing black pepper. You can use the whole peppercorn. Kailangan din natin ng carrots. Yan, hindi ko pa na-slice. Mga 3 ganito kalalaki. And then slice natin siya ng maninipis. Kailangan din tayo ng olive oil. Yan. You can use any kind of olive oil. Yung sa akin is refined, yung meron ako dito.
Okay, so let's start by diluting our half cup of salt sa ating 6 cups of water. Continue stirring hanggang sa maging water solvent na lang yung nasa bowl natin. This time guys, isoak natin yung ating salmon slices for about 15 minutes. Ngayon, i-dry na natin yung ating salmon slices. Now mga ka-friendship, in a casserole, arrange the bay leaves, carrots, and garlic. And yung sa carrots natin mga ka-friendship, dapat ganito siya kaninipis. Yan. Kahit anong slice ang gusto nyo, basta maninipis siya. Now guys, let's add in our 1 cup of olives, 2.5 cups of olive oil, and yung ating 5 slices of salmon fish. Okay, so ngayong na-layer na natin lahat yung ating ingredients, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng seasonings gaya ng black pepper and salt according to your taste. Magdagdag na rin tayo ng 2 cups of water. Now, i-cover natin and swirl and swirl hanggang sa ma-mix natin yung oil and water. Then, we'll cook it on high heat hanggang sa kumulo. Pagkakulo guys, lower the heat to medium heat and cook it for 4 hours. And ito na mga ka-friendship yung ating homemade Spanish style salmon. It is also healthy and super delicious. Bagay na bagay to sa steaming rice, but it can also be paired with bread or saltine crackers.